A drone is an unmanned aircraft that can be remotely controlled or can fly autonomously. Drones are equipped with various sensors, cameras, and other technologies that enable them to perform a range of tasks such as surveillance, photography, delivery, and scientific research. The primary components of a drone are the frame, propulsion system, control system, and payload. The frame provides the structure and support for the drone, while the propulsion system consists of the motors and propellers that enable it to fly. The control system includes the flight controller, which is responsible for stabilizing and directing the drone, and the remote controller, which allows the operator to control the drone's movement. Drones use various sensors such as GPS, gyroscopes, accelerometers, and cameras to gather information about their surroundings and transmit it back to the operator or a computer. The cameras on drones can capture high-quality photos and videos from unique angles, making them ideal for photography and videography. Drones are also used for many other purposes, such as search and rescue operations, monitoring wildlife, mapping terrain, inspecting infrastructure, and delivering goods. The use of drones is rapidly growing, and they are becoming increasingly important tools in a wide range of industries.